Hello kids! Today we draw some 2D shapes and learn some colors. So first we draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. It's a star shape, kids. Star. Star. Square. We draw a square shape. Square. Circle. It's a circle shape, kids. We are drawing circle. Heart. It's a heart shape. Heart. Triangle. We draw triangle shape. It's called triangle. Hexagon. We draw hexagon shape, kids. Hexagon. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute color. Look and learn. First green color, gray color, yellow color, blue color, yellow green color, orange color, sky blue color, green color, pink color, red color. Orange color. Orange color. Brick brown color. Brick brown color. Warm grey color. Warm grey color. Old red color. Old red color. Turquoise blue color. Turquoise blue color. Yellow green color. Yellow green color. Star, square, circle, heart, triangle, hexagon. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.